Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing well. So just before I start this video, I want to say that marketers and fellow competitors will literally hate me for creating this video because I'll show you exactly on how you can spy on your competitors' ads. If you don't know who I am, my name is Piotr Suchecki. I'm the founder of realerdigital.com, and we help real estate agents scale their business by using reverse prospecting and video sales letters. All right, so first thing first, we're going to use a tool called Facebook Ads Library. So the Meta Ad Library is a place where Facebook archives every single active ad from every single marketer on their platform. So it could be from Facebook or it could be also from Instagram. Now, if you ask me, Piotr, how do we get to this page? Super simple. You could either go on Google and type Facebook Ads Library, and it should be the first link that appears on your screen, or you can just copy and paste the URL into your search bar. All right, now that we know how to get on the Facebook Ads Library, you might ask me, Piotr, how does it work? How can I spy on my competitors? How does this entire tool works to my advantage? Okay, so super simple. The Facebook Ads Library is a great way to see what other agents are doing in your market. You can see the approach that they're using. So their offer, are they doing free home evaluation? Are they doing like a free list of homes? Are they doing like a free guide, like 5 tips to renovate your house to sell it at a better price? So you can see exactly what they're doing. Okay, you can also see their copy, meaning their text. So what type of text are they using? Is it a short form type of text, a longer form type of text? And the most important, you can also see the creatives. So the pictures. Are they using videos? Are they using pictures? Are they using a slide deck of pictures? So it will really give you a great idea of what other agents are doing in your market and what works and what doesn't. All right, so the only thing that you won't be able to see is who agents are targeting and the budget that they are using. Okay, it's not that big of a deal. I can tell you right away, the majority of agents are running ads between $10 to $20 per day minimum. And for the targeting, so they either do open targeting, meaning that Facebook algorithm will choose and select automatically the audience, or they do targeting users with keywords, okay, such as real estate, mortgage broker, basically the keywords that buyers or sellers would look up online and, you know, have an interest in either buying or selling their home. All right, so the first step is going to select the country that you're in. So for example, if you're in the US, you would of course select the US. If you're in Canada, you would select Canada. So that's pretty straightforward. Now for the ad category, this is simple. So if you're a real estate agent and you're looking to stalk another real estate agent to see what type of ads they're doing, it will be under housing, okay? Because every single ad that is either promoting houses or anything doing with real estate, you need to put it under housing, okay? So super simple, you just click on housing. So that's it for the category. All right, so the next step is searching your ads competitors. You'll be using this search bar to see exactly what your competitors are doing. And it's super simple. You either have 3 options. Number 1 is location, so pretty self-explanatory. You might look what agents are doing in Montreal. You might look what agents are doing in Washington. Okay, so depending on where you are, you could see what agents are doing in a specific location. All right, keywords, also pretty self-explanatory. So you might enter keywords that are related to real estate. So it could be something like real estate. It could be, if you're looking to see what other agents are doing to get seller leads, you might type free home evaluation and see all kind of ads that agents are doing in your market to get seller leads. Okay, if you're looking for buyer, it could be something like a list of homes. You could search up a list of homes and see what every agent is doing in your market to get buyers. And advertiser, this is if you have someone specific in mind. So if, for example, you know that there's a big real estate guy in your market and he's running ads and he's killing it, you could simply look up his name and see exactly what he's doing. Okay, so what type of ads he's using, what type of content he's using, what type of creative, what type of text. So you can really see everything in depth regarding the ads on the ads library. So let's jump right into it. All right, so let's see what agents are doing in your market to get seller leads. Okay, so what would you do? You would put free home evaluation, every single keyword that would resonate with sellers in your market. And when you type it and you click enter, you see every single ad that every single agent is running in your market. So you can see what type of pictures they're using. Are they using videos? Are they using a catalog? Okay, you can also see when they started to run the ad. So this is super important because ads that have been running for, let's say, a month and plus or 2 months, you technically know that it's working. Okay, so you technically know that they're profitable, because I wouldn't see why an agent would run an ad and spend a ton of money if they're not making any money back or they're not receiving any seller leads. Okay, so this is a great way to see, what ads are more legit than others, what ads are converting better online. You could also see what platforms are they advertising on. So this one is using Facebook, Instagram, Messenger. This one, for example, is only using Facebook. Okay, so if we scroll down, let me find an example here that we could see what are they doing exactly. So something like this. As you can see, this one, it looks really nice. A nice picture, the text is clean. They're using emojis, so super, super clean. What you would need to do, just click on see ad details and boom. You literally see their text. So the entire text that they use for the ad. You can see the picture that they're using. Okay, so what type of pictures are they using? And those type of pictures, you can easily make them on Canva. Okay, so I have a video below on how to use Canva for real estate agents. So this is not an issue if you want to create, let's say, a seller ad. And you can also see where are they directing their leads. Okay, so is it a lead form or is it a landing page? A lead form, super simple. That means that they stay on Facebook. Okay, so they enter like their first name, their full name, email, phone number. And a landing page will be when they click on that ad, it's going to redirect them into another page. So it could be like a page saying, enter your address to have a free home evaluation. Also, what you can see is what type of questions are they asking in their lead form. So this is crazy because you can literally mimic the entire ad, from the text, the image, to the question. You can also make it to your liking, of course, to not copy and paste someone's ad, but you can make it to your liking and create an ad that is working really, really well in your market. So if we check this one, receive the current value of your GTA home today. Please fill out this form for direct access to our market data. And then are the questions. Okay, so when are you planning to sell? So they're using a question with multiple answers, so you can check which one is for you. So it will be 0 to 4 months, 4 to 8 months, 8 months and plus, and just curious. Then they're asking full name, email, and phone number. So as you can see, this tool is pretty powerful because you can stalk your competition, stalk your fellow agents, and see what they're doing, and you can also see if it works. Okay, so if the ad is here for 2, 3, 4, 5 months, then you definitely have an idea that, okay, this ad might be performing really well. Let me try to do it to my own liking, and let me create something similar to get seller leads in my market. All right, guys, so this is pretty much it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to let them in the comments below. And if you like the video, of course, please like the video, comment, and subscribe if you like the content that I'm putting out every single week. And if you're interested in working with us and my team, shoot me a DM below or simply book a call with me and my team, and we'll be able to walk you through our process, what do we do, and what kind of results we're able to achieve for our clients. All right. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.